Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, ready. Dear colleagues, I have great pleasure to be present here on this happy occasion this evening. I am very grateful to you all for the honor that has been extended to me on my taking over as the chief of the city police. I am very much aware of the fact that it is a very difficult job under the present circumstances. Even then, I have to bear in mind the faith reposed in me by our Honorable Chief Minister. First of all, I would like to seek your fullest cooperation during my tenure here. If we take into account the police force available at present, I am very sorry to note that it is very much less when compared to the total population of this city. It is not at all adequate to handle situations arising out of various issues. I would like to mention at this point of time that our police force, though it is less in number, has got the guts and the courage to face any kind of threat to society. I am sure that it is not lagging behind in its action in safeguarding the interests of the people at large. However, I feel that it is absolutely necessary to increase the strength at the lower level. I propose to take up the matter with the appropriate authorities at the helm of affairs. I request all of you to take a pledge that we would continue to be friends of the people. I am aware that there is a general allegation against the police that if any person approaches a police station to lodge his complaint about some crimes, he has to suffer as he is driven from pillar to post on the ground of jurisdiction. This kind of treatment is not good as far as the department as a whole is concerned. In my opinion, we should, in the first instance, register the complaint and then transfer it to the concerned station. It is not at all a difficult task, and it will be done as it is the general expectation of the people that we serve with sincerity. I hope I will be right if I say that the crime rate in this city is decreasing day by day because of our alertness. We can very well take the credit for controlling the anti-social elements through our stern action to the extent possible. Stop and over.